Responsive websites, adaptive websites. A responsive website works by pushing blocks of text around the screen so that you might see blocks of information like this on a desktop screen. When that gets squeezed into a mobile phone, then a more vertical appearance comes to play. This is a responsive arrangement. Now let's look at an adaptive website. Looking on the desktop, you see the website that you would expect to see, and then you go and look at the same website on a mobile phone, and you're expecting this block to be the first thing you see, but you know what? It isn't. The first thing you see is a blue square. The yellow square disappears completely, and the only other thing on the home page on the mobile site is blue, which you haven't seen before, and red, which you did see on the desktop. Adaptive websites can load a different site depending on what device they detect at the end. A responsive website loads the same site rearranged on the device. This is important because at the end of the day, you want to give your users the same level of service whether they're looking at a desktop or a mobile. And that is important because of Google's mobile first index project. Over a period of time, they are only going to index the mobile version of the site. So they're not going to look at the desktop version of the site anymore.